How to create a client kit in Wix Studio. So I will show you how to create the client kit, and in order to do that, you first need to proceed to manage.wix.com/studio/client-kit. From this particular part, you can see this. So click onto this Start Now option, and then just choosing here a studio site that you want to create the kit. I'll choosing here my site 7 and click on Continue. Now, once you have done that, this will load this site dashboard, and this will direct us to this particular website. Now, it will load up to this one. Click onto this Add Resources option, and then you can upload your files or select from the Studio Tutorial option. We have in here our videos and documents as well as the trash, or you can also upload some more videos based on the ones that you have added. Now we also have in here the agency details, and in here you first fast add a business name and the business info. Now in here you can set in here a client to let them view the kit. What we can do is we just need to invite them into the site as a site collaborator. And then after that, transfer the site ownership to them. Once you have done this, you can click onto the save option and it should be able to enable this particular client kit and then transfer the ownership to them and jumpstart their actual position into the website creation. So that's how you create a client kit in Wix Studio. Hope you helped.